How to foster a culture of questioning is fostering a culture of discovery on all levels, on a basic level, on a human level, on a scientific level. How can we know something on one level and have it be contradictory to another level? These kinds of questions, are really necessary for human growth. How to foster that, I think, would be to embrace a path of discovery. And we're all on the ultimate path of discovery, and that is to discover who we are and get the answers of what we don't know about ourselves and the nature of who we are and what we are going toward, if we're going toward anything. So I guess the answer to that question is, I don't know.